Hey guys, welcome back to Confirm the RM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day getting yourselves back into the XRP price chart. Has been a little while since we have gotten ourselves back into here, but now, we're kind of expecting, kind of coming down here on the 4-hour chart, we were expecting XRP to do something. Looks like this around June 8th, but crazily enough, we started to get XRP pushing out a little bit earlier than expected. We're using the bottom side here and using the top side and this side, and we're getting it to push to the upside, like I said, a little bit earlier than anticipated. We were kind of following the fractal as it should have been, but that's a-okay. It looks like, we could have used more of the candle bodies instead of the ends. That looks like what it came to around, June 6th, but still, it's a little bit early, and I'm happy to see that nonetheless. But it looks like XRP might be having a breakout, like right here, from the top of the region. From here, you're looking at around exactly where it's at, around 50 cents, which is, we're hitting a resistance here on 49.3, are we not? It looks like it, because it looks like our high on this candle is sitting around 43.7. So, looks like if XRP can get a push to the upside, and can continue pushing on further, you have this, looks like this 51, and then its previous 54 kind of high candle body high, but obviously it wicked to around, like, what was this, 58.7, just about. But based on this high to this low, right here to here, you could even do, actually, I wonder if we were to use this high right here, even this high at 58.5, you can see hitting a resistance here around 49.7. You'd have to hold the support around here on 47.6 if it were to retrace, but you could be looking for a full extension. Looks like if you were to push this outwards of XRP really getting to around, let's see, around 55. Crazy. It could be on its way. It's looking for a retracement at this point. It has, flown up, came back for retracement at 702, capitulated here in the 382 region, fell through for a zero retracement, and was able to break through the 382 now to the upside and hitting that 0.5. So at least at this time kind of instance, I'd be expecting XRP to get around that 51 to 52 price level. And at least retest a critical region at that point, because you can see over here, this was a milestone region, but we're not even oversold on a daily yet. We're pushing our way to the upside. We already hit a bottom here around 32. It looks on the RSI, it looks like we're on our next way to complete a next wave. We haven't exactly been oversold, even at 73. This one was at a 69. This one was at a 75. We're only sitting at about 65. So it looks like it has room to go to the upside. Here in the 4-hour, it looks like we're hitting around here at a 73. So we have that target we were just talking about around there, around 50 to 51, and it looks like a high target around 55. That's what I'd be looking at, because you're going to be coming into a critical region of just trying to retest the 702 and the 786. There's a lot of volume around that region, so it's going to be very hard for XRP, I think, to get through that. But the worst, it looks like, of trying to get through the 41 to 43 cents now has been pushed way back down and is now pushing itself forward. Good to see nonetheless. See how we look on a 1-hour chart. Okay, nothing terrible either. So when we go here in the 4-hour, guys, let's kind of zoom ourselves out and look at what has happened and transpired since, let's say, we'll do this previous high over here, Saturday. So let's grab ourselves a high here to a high here. We can see about where it's hitting resistance here. Yeah, that makes sense. High right there around 47, a low here around 44. Looks like you were able to get yourself back above, hold the 786 as a kind of a rebound zone, came back down, still hit the 1 for a rebound, and now hitting a resistance here around 1618. So even on the short term chart, as you guys were, as I was just telling you guys, the 51-52 region is going to be the next target right here, as you can even see. If it's able to break through the 1618 here on this short-term chart, and I was just telling you guys earlier that 47.5, 47.7 is that kind of support for a continuation. You can even see this in this chart. It's saying the same thing. So, and then the next target being around there at that 55. So for XRP, we're just going to be looking at seeing if we can just get through this region here around 49.4, 49.7. You can see they're pretty close within tenths. If it can't, looking for a little support here on the 47-cent region, at least holding that 46.8, and then we can get a push to the upside. A little consolidation coming back down, and then for another launch would be great. Looking like for that 52 to 55-cent region for a push upwards. A worst case scenario, it would make sense because our breakout was scheduled for, this week just about, and this looks like it's starting to launch pad to the other side, happily for a retracement. And then we're going to really be scratching our fingers or sides and stuff when we get around that 58, if we can get up there, right? So hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion. As usual, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just kind of thinking out loud, right? And giving you guys my thoughts. But these are just kind of the things I think about. I apply it to how my trading strategy is. But hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next one.